We all want to capture those epic moments without selling a kidney to afford a fancy camera. But here's the kicker. Most budget action cams are almost useless in extreme conditions. That's why I've done the dirty work and put these wallet-friendly bad boys to the test to bring you the cream of the crop. In this video, I'm about to drop the top 5 best budget action cameras of 2024 that'll make your Instagram feed look like a Hollywood blockbuster. Fair warning, number 3 just might make your brain explode, in a good way. And hey, don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for the best prices on these awesome action cams. Trust me, you won't believe the prices. Let's start with our number 5 pick, the Akaso V50X. This little beast is making waves in the budget action camera market, and for good reason. The V50X boasts some impressive specs that'll surprise you. First up, let's talk about video quality. The Akaso V50X can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second without any cropping. That's right, you're getting full 4K goodness at a fraction of the price of big-name brands. Now, while it might not be the king of slow motion, it does offer decent frame rates at lower resolutions. You can capture smooth 1080p footage at 60 FPS, and if you're feeling extra speedy, crank it up to 720p at 120 FPS. Now let's talk about durability. The V50X comes with a clear plastic shell that's reportedly waterproof and tough as nails. It's got an IPX7 rating without the case, which means it can handle a splash or two, but pop it in that case and you've got a camera that can dive down to 131 feet underwater. That's deeper than most scuba divers go. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The video quality can be a bit grainy and soft in low-light conditions. And if you're looking to take pro-level photos, you might want to look elsewhere. The V50X doesn't have an autofocus system, and you can't adjust things like aperture or shutter speed. But let's be real here. For the price, the Akaso V50X is punching way above its weight class. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of action cameras without breaking the bank. And speaking of bank, don't forget to check out the link in the description for the best deals on the Akaso V50X. Moving on to our number 4 pick, we've got the Dragon Touch Vision Pro 3. This little dynamo is proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to get some seriously cool features. Let's start with the basics. The Vision Pro 3 shoots 4K video at 30 FPS, just like our previous contender. But where it really shines is in the photo department. This camera boasts a 16-megapixel sensor that can capture some seriously stunning stills. Whether you're shooting landscapes or action shots, the Vision Pro 3 has got you covered. One of the standout features of this camera is its 170-degree adjustable angle lens. This bad boy uses a high-precision lens that increases light penetration, resulting in images that are clearer and brighter than you'd expect from a budget camera. And if you need to get up close and personal, the Vision Pro 3 offers 4 times zoom, letting you capture those distant shots without losing quality. Now let's talk about battery life. The Vision Pro 3 can record about 90 minutes of 1080p footage or 60 minutes of 4K. That's plenty of time to capture your adventures, whether you're shredding the slopes or exploring a new city. But here's where it gets really cool. The Vision Pro 3 comes with a 2-inch touchscreen that makes navigating menus and changing settings a breeze. And if you've got the camera mounted somewhere out of reach, no worries. It comes with a wireless wrist remote that lets you control the camera from up to 33 feet away. Talk about convenience. Now, it's not perfect. The lack of built-in waterproofing might be a deal breaker for some, and the battery life isn't quite as impressive as some other models on our list. But for the features you're getting at this price point, it's hard to complain. Alright, coming in at number 3, we've got the ApexCam M80 Air. This little beast is about to show you that good things really do come in small packages. First things first, let's talk about that size. The ApexCam M80 Air is compact and portable, making it perfect for those who like to travel light. But don't let its small size fool you. This camera is packed with features that'll make your jaw drop. Let's start with video quality. The M80 Air shoots crisp, detailed 4K video at 30 FPS. That's right, you're getting ultra high-definition footage from a camera that fits in the palm of your hand. And if you need smoother motion for those fast action shots, you can drop down to 1080p at 60 FPS. But here's where it gets really impressive. The M80 Air uses an advanced Sony image sensor that provides excellent light sensitivity. What does that mean for you? It means you can shoot clear, vibrant footage even in low-light conditions. Whether you're capturing the sunset on the beach or filming your nighttime urban exploration, the M80 Air has got your back. But what about durability? Well, the M80 Air doesn't disappoint. It's got an IPX7 rating right out of the box, which means it can handle a bit of rain or a quick dunk in water. But pop it into its included waterproof case and suddenly, you've got a camera that can dive down to 131 feet underwater. That's deep enough to capture some serious aquatic adventures. Battery life is another area where the M80 Air shines. With 90 minutes of recording time, you've got plenty of juice to capture your entire adventure. And when it's time to review your footage, the large LCD touchscreen makes it easy to navigate through your shots. Now, it's not all perfect. The 720p mode is limited to 60 FPS, which might disappoint some slow-motion enthusiasts. And while the 20-megapixel photo capability is impressive, it might not quite match up to dedicated point-and-shoot cameras in terms of quality. But when you consider everything you're getting, 4K video, excellent low-light performance, durability, and ease of use, all at a budget-friendly price, it's easy to see why the ApexCam M80 Air has earned its spot in our top 3. Next up, we have the Wolfgang GA300. Now, you might be thinking, Wolfgang who? But trust us, this underdog is about to blow your mind with its impressive specs and features. Let's start with the headline feature: 4K video at 60 frames per second. That's right, while many budget cameras top out at 30 FPS in 4K, the GA300 doubles that for silky smooth, ultra high-definition footage. But it doesn't stop there. Drop down to 1080p and you can crank the frame rate up to a whopping 120 FPS. And if you really want to get crazy with the slow-mo, 720p mode offers an astounding 240 FPS. That's slow enough to see every droplet of water in that epic cliff dive. But it's not just about video. The GA300 boasts a 20-megapixel image sensor for capturing crisp, detailed photos. Whether you're snapping action shots or breathtaking landscapes, this camera has got you covered. Now let's talk about accessories. The GA300 comes with enough gear to make a tech junkie drool. We're talking waterproof case, external microphone, Velcro straps, mounts, adhesive tapes, a tripod case with threads on both sides, a remote control, and even a bike mount. It's like Christmas came early. Speaking of that waterproof case, while the GA300 isn't waterproof on its own, pop it in the case and you've got a camera that can dive down to 131 feet. That's deep enough to capture some serious underwater action. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The GA300 can't quite match the video quality of top-tier action cams like the GoPro Hero 11 Black, but here's the thing. It costs a fraction of the price. So while it might not be the absolute best in terms of image quality, it offers incredible value for money. The Wolfgang GA300 is proof that you don't need to break the bank to get a feature-packed action camera. It's perfect for anyone who wants to capture their adventures in high quality without spending a fortune. Now it's time to reveal our top pick, the Akaso Brave 7 LE. This little marvel has earned its spot at the top of our list by offering an incredible balance of features, quality, and affordability. Let's dive in and see what makes the Brave 7 LE so special. First up, let's talk about video quality. The Brave 7 LE shoots 4K video at 30 FPS, giving you ultra-high-definition footage that'll make your adventures look like they belong on the big screen. Need smoother motion? Drop down to 1080p and you can shoot at 60 FPS. And for those real slow motion lovers out there, 720p mode offers a respectable 120 frames per second. But here's where it gets really interesting. The Brave 7 LE features not one, but two screens. You've got your standard 2-inch rear touchscreen for framing shots and navigating menus, but flip the camera around and there's a front-facing screen too. That means you can frame your selfies and vlog shots perfectly every time. It's like having your own personal camera operator. Now let's talk about durability. The Brave 7 LE is IPX7 rated right out of the box, which means it can handle rain, splashes, and even a quick dunk in water. But pop it into the included waterproof case and suddenly you've got a camera that can dive down to an impressive 131 feet. Whether you're surfing, snorkeling, or just caught in a real downpour, the Brave 7 LE has got you covered. But what about image quality? Well, with a 20 megapixel sensor, the Brave 7 LE can capture some seriously impressive photos. And it's not just about the numbers. This camera uses some clever noise reduction techniques to give you beautiful shots, even in low light conditions. Let's talk about battery life. With 120 minutes of recording time, the Brave 7 LE can keep up with even your longest adventures. And when it's time to transfer your footage, you've got options. The camera can connect to laptops and TVs via USB and HDMI, making it easy to share your videos on the big screen. Now, it's not perfect. The 4K video quality, while good, doesn't quite match the rest of the camera's features. And the electronic image stabilization, while effective, isn't quite as smooth as what you'd find on more expensive models. But here's the thing. When you consider everything the Brave 7 LE offers, and then look at its price tag, it's hard not to be impressed. This camera gives you features and performance that rival much more expensive models, all at a price point that won't make your wallet cry. So, there you have it, our top 5 best budget action cameras of 2024. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more gear reviews and tech content. And be sure to check those links in the description for the best deals on all these awesome cameras.